TradingView Indicator Aroon Oscillator by BigBeluga. The Aroon Oscillator helps traders spot market trends and when prices might bounce back to normal. Think of it like a weather forecast for the market. It tells you which way prices are moving and when they might change direction. How this TradingView indicator works. This indicator tracks how long it's been since the highest and lowest prices happened. It shows two main things. When prices are going up or down, trends. When prices might switch direction, reversals. Special features. 1. Trend signals. Green arrows point up when prices might rise. Blue arrows point down when prices might fall. These signals show up right on your chart. 2. Bounce back signals. Green dots show when low prices might go up. Blue dots show when high prices might go down. These dots help you spot possible price changes early. 3. Easy to read colors. Green areas mean prices are going up. Blue areas mean prices are going down. This makes it easy to see what's happening at a glance. Making it work for you. In Aroon Oscillator by BigBeluga you can change several things to match your needs. How far back the tool looks at prices, how smooth you want the signals to be, what colors you want to use, whether you want to see bounce back signals. Why it's useful. This TradingView tool is helpful because it shows clear buy and sell signals, warns you when price direction might change, uses colors to make things easy to understand, lets you adjust it to fit your trading style. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment on your favorite TradingView indicators.